Whoa, what's up everyone, my name is Abhishek, you are watching Excel World, let's get started. Thank you guys for all your support. We finally did 100 subscribers to our channel. Thank you so much guys. So let's begin with the video without wasting any more time. So today I'm going to speak about some shortcut keys that you can use in Excel. I already made the first part of shortcut keys. If you didn't watch that, I will provide that link in my description, as well as you can see on the I button. So let's get started. So the first shortcut key is about how you can apply filters to your selected range with using a simple shortcut key. So for that you have to just select any cell in the range. So I will select this cell and then just simply press Ctrl Shift L, and you can see on the top where the headings are, we got our filters. So suppose I want how many days we open, like 5 days, and you can see it works properly. And if you want to clear the filter, just simply press again Ctrl Shift plus L, and the filters are clear now. The next shortcut key is one of my favorite shortcut key, and the name of the shortcut key is Flash Fill. So suppose I have to add Gmails for all this data here. So let's see. Firstly we have to put the first name here and @gmail.com, and I don't want to repeat again and again for all this name here, so I will use Flash Fill. I will select the range here, and then I will simply click Ctrl plus E, and you can see this is the power of the Flash Fill, and I got my all the Gmails without putting again and again. So you can use this shortcut key to work more efficiently. We can also put some initials with using Flash Fill. So suppose I want initial for all the names here, so I have to type the first initial, then I will again select my data here, and then just simply press Ctrl plus E, and you can see we got our initials for all our names here. The third shortcut key is also very beneficial, as we can use this on a regular basis. So suppose if I have to format these cells on the top, so 10,000, 15,000, I have to format these cells. So I simply select all this range, then simply press Ctrl 1, and it will pop up a dialog box that will say format cell, and you can do anything here. You can change the number format, you can align the format, you can font the cells, you can apply border to the cells, you can apply color, any color to the cells, and you can also hide or lock the cells. So for this I can do just simply accounting with 2 decimal places. You want symbol? Yes, I want symbol, and then press OK, and you can see we got our numbers here. So this is how you can change the format of the cells with using Excel shortcut key. The next shortcut key will help you to work more quickly. So sometimes you face a situation where you have to put the same formula from the upper cell. So without dragging the formula, you can simply click on the cell and then press Ctrl plus D, and that will give you the exact formula as on the upper cell. You can see on the top here some B9 to D9, and on the here B10 to D10, and for here just simply press Ctrl plus D. That will copy the formula from the upper cell. So this is how you can copy the data or formula from the upper cell with using a simple Excel shortcut key. So the last shortcut key is about if you want to insert the current date and current time in Excel, you can simply use these two simple shortcut keys. So for date it's Ctrl plus semicolon, and for time it's Ctrl Shift plus colon. So this is how you can insert current date and current time in Excel with using these two simple shortcut keys. So if you like my content, please hit the subscribe button, and see you in next video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's